last season was amazing. It was good to see them kind of come back and have a really great season after so many years of being all right.
Honestly, just kind of based off last year, probably Chris Paul and it just kind of just helping out the team, showing some leadership, and just kind of getting them to the championship in the first place.
I'm glad they made the finals last year, and I like the way that they're going right now from last year.
No, I think it was great to see them in the finals because before they were really bad, and I used to come to the game for tickets were like $5. And then last year, just to see that whole experience, it was great. Even though we lost, I did cry when we lost, but it was a great experience for sure.
I'm from Phoenix, born and raised, so it was exciting to like kind of feel energy here because I feel like we have coming and goings of teams, but to have everyone so excited for one thing. Like I remember seeing decorations in the airport and everything. Like it was fun to see that.
Yeah, oh yeah, they're gonna go all the way this year. So you better get your tickets.
Yeah, wow.
Let's go Suns, baby. Let's go.
Go Suns, baby. Let's go. Let's get it.